Welcome to my channel. Here is how to download Capcut for your Windows or your Mac system. Go to your browser, search for Capcut, click on download Capcut desktop, click on download for free. Yes, when you download for free for both Mac users and Windows users, this will automatically download your Capcut software into your system. So when you're done downloading, you open and you install. So because I've already installed CapCut, so I can't install CapCut for the second time. But if you're a new user, when you click on install CapCut, it will take you through the step-by-step process. Trust me, it is very easy to do. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.